Hi there, I'm Seth and I'm a product specialist here at Mobile Patient Lift. Today I'll walk you through the unboxing and assembly of the Ascend & Go Sit-to-Stand Patient Lift. A thoughtfully designed lift that helps assist individuals with limited mobility to safely transfer between seated and standing positions. It's perfect for caregivers and clinical settings, offering a safe, stable way to reduce physical strain during transfers. Let's start with everything that's included. In the box, you're gonna find the footrest base with front-locking wheels for added safety, 2 seat bars with pivoting seats for easy access, a padded knee support to increase comfort during the transfer process, a crossbar handle to help the users bring themselves to a standing position, an installation kit with screws and an Allen wrench, and your instruction manual. Now let's go ahead and take a look at how to assemble the Ascend & Go Sit-to-Stand Patient Lift. To begin, locate the footrest base and lock the wheels to keep the lift secure while you assemble. Identify the left and right seat bars. The left seat bar will have the pivoting seat section pointing to the right, while the right seat bar will have it pointing to the left. Once identified, align each seat bar with the base and gently press down to fit it in place. Next, insert and screw the bolts on the openings located towards the bottom of the seat bars. Now attach the crossbar handle by aligning it between the inner seat bars and securing it with the bolts and nuts from the kit. Next, position the knee support and align it with the mounting holes. After adjusting the angle and height for use comfort, you can then tighten the screws securely. And that's it, your Ascend & Go Patient Lift is fully assembled and ready to support safe transfers throughout the day. From the padded knee support to the adjustable base design, every feature of the Ascend & Go Sit-to-Stand Patient Lift focuses on comfort, safety, and ease of use. Now let's go ahead and take a moment to go over how to maintain your lift. To help your lift stay in great condition, this is what you need to do. Regularly inspect the unit for any loose or worn parts. Check screws and joints and tighten them as needed. Ensure moving parts stay secure and aligned. To clean the lift, wipe down all surfaces using a mild detergent and soft cloth. Now with regular care and inspection, your Ascend & Go Sit-to-Stand Patient Lift will continue to support smoother, safer transitions every day. Remember, always refer to your product manual for detailed assembly, requirements, use and maintenance instructions. If you have any questions about Ascend & Go Patient Lift or are simply looking to find out more about our other products, please visit mobilepatientlift.com. Thanks for watching.